Okay, so we're going to solve this example that is similar to the activity on Canvas, and it's going to be in that problem. This example is going to be in that problem. So you have that in the figure below, the measure of angle JKM is 98. Now look what I'm going to do. It's angle JKM. JKM. So all this angle is 98 degrees. Then it says that the measure of angle LKM is 70 degrees. Okay, so it's this one is 70 degrees. Now what is next? It says segment KN, so it's this one here. This segment KN, this one bisects angle LKM. LKM. What bisect means? Split this angle LKM in half. So it makes these two congruent. So that means this angle is 35 and this angle is 35 degrees. That's what it means. That's the information they are giving to you. Now we need to find the measure of angle JKN. JKN. This is the angle that we're going to try to find. This one here. Okay, so I know this information. I know 70, I know 98, and then I know that these two are 35 each. So I can figure out this one. And probably at this point you just figure out what angle is that one. But let me go with the geometrical steps. So I know in this case that the measure of angle JKM is equals to 98 degrees, right? And then we have that the measure of angle JKN is equals to 98 degrees minus the measure of angle NKM. Okay, let's see how that works. So I know measure of angle JKM is 98. That's the whole angle. Then I know that measure of angle JKN, which is what they want me to do, is equals to 98 degrees, the total angle, minus the measure of the angle NKM. NKM. This one here. Because I know that 70 degrees divided by 2 is equals to 35. So that's what we are going to have. Now, if we want to go those steps geometrically done, let's call it that way, I can say, observe this one. Measure of angle NKM is equals to 1/2 measure of angle LKM. Okay, because bisects the angle, so it's half of that angle. So now I know this one is equals to 1/2 times 70 degrees, which is equals to 35 degrees. Pretty much we have the answer here, and we're going to have now that the measure of angle JKN is equals to 98 minus measure of angle NKM, which is 98 degrees minus 35 degrees, which the measure of angle JKN is equals to 63 degrees. And that's the solution. That's the way we're going to get through those problems. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section on Canvas, or shoot me a message or an email.